Hey y'all, it's Olivia. If you're new here, I make mostly fashion and college videos, and I'd love you to go ahead and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing my apartment tour for my junior year, 2019 fall. It's been a long time coming and I'm really excited. So let's go ahead. I can't believe that I'm finally filming this. Okay, so I've come to the entrance of the apartment to start the tour off. First off, I live in Wolf Ridge. It's the apartments on Centennial campus at NC State University. Centennial campus has like engineering and college of textiles mainly, but I'm in the college of textiles. I study fashion textile management, so it kind of makes sense for me to be over here, but honestly, most of my classes are still on main campus, so iffy. But honestly, I live here because it's a really nice apartment and it's still through the school, so like my financial aid still covers it without having to like jump through any hoops to get the money back. And also I'm studying abroad in Florence, Italy next semester, so NC State lets you cancel your housing for study abroad without like any extra charges or any difficulties. And I really like where I live. We do have a food court downstairs. It's just nice. You can take the bus to main campus. You get parking outside. It's like $200. You can park at your apartment and have your car right out the window. Let me actually show you. Yeah, so that's our parking lot. It's about $200 to have it for a semester, so that's really convenient. And it also comes like fully furnished, so I just choose to live here because I think it's the easiest for me. I totally understand people want to live off campus, but I just feel like this is the most convenient, especially since I'm studying abroad. So let's go ahead and get started. So right whenever you walk in, you just see the living room and the dining table, and then on the side over here, my roommates brought this to put like reusable bags in and whatever. I didn't get that, and that didn't come with the apartment, so I'm not sure where it's from. And then this like white shelving unit did come with the apartment, and we have trash bags, Swiffer stuff, and just food up there. And then my roommates got those two things to also add food to, and then it comes with a trash can and a recycling bin. We just have like a dumpster outside that we take that to, and honestly you can't recycle this. Like I just read on the thing that you can't. And a banana peel, I don't really think that should, you know. Anyways, we need to work on that. But we also brought a vacuum cleaner, a Swiffer, and a broom to like clean up. So as you can see, like the floor out here is hard floor and it's not wood. It's like a school would have, you know, in the kitchen. And this is what it's like in our bedrooms as well. But then in the living room and the hallway space, there is carpet. So it comes with a dining room set like this, just the 4 things, and then one of my roommate's moms actually made this. We have Christmas decoration, but we still also have fall decoration out. So yeah, we have the dining room table that it came with, and then it comes with this couch, and we brought these pillows, and we also brought all those blankets, and we brought this ottoman. So the living room is actually a pretty good size in my opinion. And then it also comes with side tables, so that one and the one over there. And it came with these lamps. I think these are in our room though, so maybe someone brought theirs out here. But yeah, we just have like little coasters and things on the table. And then you have to bring your own TV if you want a TV. So that's not mine, someone else brought it. I don't really like use it very much. We also have like gaming stuff and well, like a Wii and printer, which I didn't bring either of those either. So I just wanted to clarify that the printer that we have is unnecessary really. We do have a printing service through NC State that is really easy to use, and the printers are located like in the libraries and in the classroom halls and like pretty much everywhere. And there's one downstairs in our lobby. All you do is like put some money on your account, and it's like 10 cents per page whenever you print black and white, and you just upload it wirelessly through your laptop, and then you go downstairs, scan your card, print it, and it comes out. So you don't really need a printer. But we have one anyways. It comes with this chair and it's red underneath, so they decided to get an Opal House blanket from Target to cover it. And then there's just like some plants and stuff that they brought. And yeah, this is what I was showing you before, like the window out to the cars, and it comes with that curtain up there. It also came with this red ottoman, but we just got that one instead. And I actually got us these lights from Target. The first time I got them, they didn't work, so I had to go back and get new ones, but these work good. Okay, so coming into the actual kitchen portion, you can see we have the like silver stainless steel, and then there's like marble-ish countertops and drawers, and yeah. So yeah, it comes with the fridge and all of that. It didn't come with like this coffee pot or coffee machine or like this dish rack thing. Like anything that you see on the counter, it didn't come with. Like it didn't come with a toaster or, you know, any of that. It didn't come with any of that. This is the drawer that I put my stuff in. There's like barely anything in there right now. This box is actually empty. I have a meal plan, so I mostly eat off of that. I don't really use the kitchen very much, but we are lucky that we have a dishwasher. That is good. So yeah, that's what the kitchen looks like. And then each end of the hall is the same. So I have 2 roommates that live down there, and me and another roommate live down here. She lives in the room that I lived in last year, and I live in the farthest room now. So hi. So this is what our half of the apartment looks like. We have a sink out here, and then we brought like the toothbrush holder, and we brought like hand towels, and then there's like a cabinet space underneath, and my stuff is over there. And then whenever you walk over here, we come into the bathroom, and it is just a toilet really and a shower. And I brought this shower curtain. This is from Target. We have little shelves in the shower where we can set our stuff, so that's what we've done. And then we have racks that we can hang our towels on. Those came as well. And then there's also a hook on the back of the door for your robe. That came with it as well. And that's pretty much it. The bathroom is pretty simple. And then at the end of the hall is another shelving unit that came in the apartment. So my stuff's on this half. So I just have like this guy that I put my extra bathroom stuff in, which I think is really handy because you can just tape these drawers shut whenever you're moving, and then you don't have to like move it anywhere else. So I have like extra facial stuff, toothpaste, like teeth stuff, and like nail stuff down there. And then I have paper plates that I haven't used any of yet because I already had some that I didn't know about. I got these things from Target, and I have like towels in there, and also the ones that look like this are from Target as well, and that one has stuff for laundry in it, I think. And I use Tide Pods whenever I do laundry because I just think that that's the easiest thing to do while you're in college. So I have those. Yeah, that's basically out here. Now I will show you guys my room. So honestly, this is the first time it's been clean and my bed's been made since move-in day. Like if you guys have watched any of my vlogs, you've definitely seen that it's never this clean, but I worked really hard on it today so that I could do this tour. So it's clean now. So let's see. We get this cupboard whenever you move in. It has 4 drawers at the bottom that are pretty roomy. I have pants in this one, and sweaters in that one, sweaters in that one, and then like skirts and stuff in the bottom one. I have my clothing hamper. This is from Target. I have a trash can that I need to take out. I had to bring that myself. Your room doesn't come with a trash can. Those are my shower shoes. Definitely recommend shower shoes if you're coming to college. Even though just me and one other roommate share this shower, I just do it to be safe because I know we don't clean it like we should. So I just always wear shower shoes. And then yeah, so we have the mirror on one side of the door, and there's sliding doors, and it just has hanging space. My clothes honestly are not organized right now, and most of them are shoved on this side of the wardrobe because it opens 2 different ways. And then in the bottom, I've like stacked up shoe boxes. I've been working with Just Fab on like a gifting basis, so I have a lot of boots right now. So the ones I don't wear as much, I just put in there. And then up top, that's some stuff that's listed on Poshmark, and I got those from Target again. So moving over to my bed, my bedding is from Walmart online from last year, and these 2 pillows that look like this are from Target, and this one's from Urban Outfitters. It was pretty expensive, but I really like it. And then I have a blanket at the end of my bed. That's a bag of clothes that I'm going to use to shoot. I always hang my coat and like my purse on the end of the bed like that. And then I also have these hooks that we got during move-in day on main campus. NC State does a Bed Bath & Beyond tent, and my dad got those for me from there, and they're really helpful for like purses. You can hang scarves, hats, all kinds of things. I really like those. My curtain is also just from Walmart. It's just a plain sheer one, and then we have a rod up there that you like wedge in between, or you could also get command hooks and do the like rod on the outside, and you have to use command hooks here. You can't like make holes in the wall. So all this stuff, the Paris sign has been the only thing that's fallen, and it fell within like the first week, so I put it back up to show you guys, but it might fall again. All of this is up there with command hooks. This type of stuff is up there with the Velcro kind, and the Paris and the @ and the hashtag are up there with the hook kind, and her right there, she's up there with the hook. I personally think that the Velcro ones work a little bit better, and I haven't had any problems with like the black and white frames up there. The Paris is the only thing that's fallen. So going across, this is from Walmart online. That girl up there, I think I got at TJ Maxx, and then the Paris sign is from TJ Maxx. The @ sign might be from Target. This girl right here is from TJ Maxx. The hashtag is definitely from Target. I think the @ might be from Rue 21. I'm not sure. I've had it since freshman year. And then this girl I actually found at a Goodwill. And then this is my Polaroid from a restaurant preview event that I went to last night that I had so much fun at. It's gonna be in a vlog, so subscribe so you don't miss that. I just stuck that up there. And then I did bring this light because the light that is in our room, by the way, we have a ceiling fan, which is really nice, but the light that's in our room is like really awful. I don't know if you guys can tell from that, but it sucks. So I brought my own lamp, and this one is from Target, and it was only like $12 or like $8. It was really affordable, and it does great. I love that lamp. So that's what's on that wall. And then on this wall, I have a stream of twinkle lights. If you guys watched my college move-in day vlog, you saw us put this up. This is from Amazon, and it's up there with command hooks again. My rug on the ground is also from Amazon. And then I have this fur blanket. This was from TJ Maxx, and I just threw it over my chair with my backpack. And then my desk. The place that more often than not is just covered in cups or bottles, just covered in drink stuff everywhere. But on my desk, I have a Kate Spade box. It is from TJ Maxx as well. I tried to find these online before, and they're like impossible to find, but it's from Kate Spade, and I found mine at TJ Maxx about a year ago. And it has like sunglasses, belts, accessories, that type of stuff in it. And then I have this is actually a textbook. I had to get a binder for it because it was loose leaf. This like jewelry guy is from Forever 21 last year as well, and it's kind of messy. I don't have it set up the right way, but honestly, the jewelry I wear the most I put in that Kendra Scott thing, and I really don't even wear jewelry that much, really. I had that one pair of hoops that I really loved a lot, and I lost one of them. So over here I have some clear makeup things. I think I got these at TJ Maxx. You can find them lots of different places though. And then I have this Febreze like air freshener guy, which I forget to take out my trash a lot, so it can be helpful. You just turn it on and let it go. And then I have my straightener, my laptop. Oh, that mirror, it's from Target I think, and it doesn't work anymore. And then we have two of these flat drawers, and we also have tables that extend like that. So a lot of the times I have that out with like cups and stuff on it too. But in this drawer I have like makeup, medicine, beauty type of stuff. And then in this one I have like school type of stuff, like pens and Vogue. I guess that's school, not really, but. And then down here we have one of these. You could technically pull it out and roll it somewhere else if you wanted to, but I like it right here. It also has a table if you need more space. And then it has a drawer that I have like extra command hooks and light bulbs and things like that in. And then I have another one of those Kate Spade things, and I have camera stuff in there. So then under my bed, I have those two tubs, which are full of Poshmark stuff, and it's open right now because I just got something out of there. Check out my Poshmark, it's always linked down below. And then I just pile up my shoes down here. Honestly, a lot of the shoes that I wear a lot are in a tote bag to shoot right now, but I'll just put like extra shoes down there. And then over here we again have like a rolling guy that you can move wherever you want that has two drawers, and I put pajamas in the bottom and underwear and socks and stuff in the top. So I feel like that's basically everything that I have to share with you guys from the apartment. I feel like I was out of breath the entire time, so I apologize. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!